There is another meditation that was known all over the world, in India and by many tribes all over the world, from the Zulus to the Maori to the Aboriginals in Australia and the American Indians in America. It was known even in Hawaii by the Kahunas. This meditation can be combined with the Merkaba meditation to deepen the experience and the direct experience of God. I recommend this, for I find that its use will enhance many other levels of work that you may find yourself doing in this world. It's a beautiful experience. It's simple, and it takes you directly, perfectly and directly into the experience of God. God, of course, is always there, always has been. It's us that needs to know that and to experience that He is here. And so, this is simple, and all you have to do is just close your eyes, and we can begin.